Class 6. Today I will discuss regarding chapter number 6. What is here chapter number 6? The early Vedic period. You know very well, I have already discussed. The point is very important point in this chapter, early Vedic period. The topic is early Vedic period. So what is early Vedic period? There are four Veds. The first one I have already discussed regarding Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved and Arth Ved. So the word Veda means knowledge. What is the meaning of Ved? Veda means knowledge. The Rigved is the oldest among all the Vedic literature. It was composed around 1500 BCE. It was composed around 1500 BCE. It consists of 128 sloks. It consists of 128 sloks हैं इसमें. Next, which are divided into 10 books. ठीक है? At the first, it was transferred orally from one generation to other along with the other Vedas is therefore called Shruti or that which is heard. At first, it was transferred orally from one generation to the other along with the other Vedas and is therefore called Shruti or that which is heard. ठीक है? Many centuries later it was written down. The Rigveda gives us an insight into the political, social, economic and religious life of the early Vedic period. Clear? So the next is life of the people. Life of the political structure. The Aryans gave up their nomadic life and settled down into many tribes known as Janas, and the land where they settled was called Janapada. Okay? The Aryan gave up their nomadic life and settled down into many tribes known as Janas, and the land where they settled was called Janapadas. These tribes were constantly involved in battle with one another to protect their cattle. Cattle was considered to be wealth in the early Vedic period. Many yajnas or sacrifices were performed for obtaining cattle. A village or grama was the smallest unit of the jana. A grama would comprise a number of families. Each tribe has a chieftain called Rajan. Rajan means Purohit, Pandit, who was chosen for his wisdom and courage. His chief function was to protect the tribe from external attacks and maintain law and order. For his services, the people made voluntary contributions of gifts. A Rajan could be removed from power if he was inefficient or cruel. He was helped by a number of officials in the works of administration part. There is also a reference to tribal assemblies, namely the Sabha and Samiti, which checked and the power of the king and also advised him in all important matters. The Senani or commanders in chief assisted him in warfare, a Rajpurohita or high priest performed. Clear? So religious ceremonies or yajnas and also acted as the advisor. The Gramini or the village headman look after the village. Social life. Social life, the Aryan Kula were joint families. They were patriarchal in nature. What is the meaning of patriarchal? Ruled or controlled by one man. Clear? The oldest male member was the head of the family. He usually made all decisions. Women were held in respect and they participated in yajnas along with their husbands. Many learned women attended the assemblies, participated in debates and composed hymns. They also enjoyed the right to choose their husband in a special ceremony called Swamvara. There was no child marriage and widows were allowed to remarry. उनके शासन में जो महिलाएं जो लेडीज विडोज हो जाती थी उनको फिर से शादी करने का आश्वासन था. ठीक है? सो स्वयंवर मीन्स मैरिज. Emergence of the caste system. The early Aryans differentiated between themselves according to the occupations they followed. The word Varna. Varna means the social division which was developed on the basis of division of labor. Okay? So Varna was used to refer to the different occupational groups. The Brahmins or the priests performed the religious ceremonies and the prayers and imparted education. The Kshatriyas or the warriors, class fought wars and protected the tribe from the danger. The Vaishyas carried on agriculture. Vaishya. Vaishya is a community caste. The Vaishya carried on agriculture, industry and trade, producing goods for society. The Shudras comprising the Dasas were the laborers, did menial jobs and were the dark-skinned original inhabitants. So thank you class.